Okay, today we have Konami's Glitchy Gaiapolis. This one had this custom bad here, which is replaced. That was causing character sprite errors, title screen glitching. Unfortunately, everything's checked out fine, and there's still a tiny little error. But yeah, I'm not going any further. That one also needs replacing. So let's go. Yeah, this demo sound is there, but it's ultra quiet because the module's knackered. In fact, it's not a good idea to run it with a knackered module, but I need to show it running. So there we go, gameplay 100% perfect. So there's one error. What's the error, Mr. Ham? I'll show you. So start game. You ready? See the little lines on the bird and the cloud? So minor. It's on screen for like 2 seconds. It's not long enough to debug. And so yeah, gameplay's fine. Sprites are good. So I've no idea where that is. So it can go back like that. I think that chip will be bad still. But can't keep swapping that. It just doesn't work like that. If it gets worse, we'll change it again. But like this, that's just perfect. So there's no point changing it again.